twins. Do we look like twins? Wait, smile the same. Here's the ring. So pretty. We all just got our nails done. These are the bride's nails. They're so cute. I love it. And then we all got sparkly toes. Hey, what's up you guys? It's Karli Brand. I have a very busy night ahead of me. Tomorrow my sister gets married and we also hop on a plane to Australia. So right now I'm gonna show you all the things I do to get ready for a big event or a big vacation. I'm gonna pack, I'm gonna take you and show you what I'm packing, and then I'm gonna just kind of do like my own personal care for the big wedding and the big trip coming ahead. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video and let's get into the packing. So over the last couple of weeks I've been putting together all the things that I think I'll want, and luckily it's summer in Australia, so I've been pulling out all my summer clothes. And it's winter here in Utah, so it's not the same stuff I'd be wearing. So I've been kind of setting stuff aside just so I don't forget anything. And here's my suitcase that I have to fit everything in. And my room's a disaster since I'm doing the wedding stuff and the vacation. So, okay, all of this needs to go in there, and some of this might not even be going in the big suitcase, but we're just gonna kind of start. So first, I'm gonna switch my normal everyday wallet to this mini travel wallet. So I'm gonna just put all my important credit cards that I'm gonna need and whatever I'm gonna need in Australia in to this little guy, just because this one's a lot thicker. I mean, they look the same on camera, but it is quite a bit thicker, and I just want something that's really easy to carry. So I just did bottoms, rompers, and dresses, and now I'm gonna do my t-shirt and tanks. I have a cute little beach dress, and one of the straps ripped off, so I'm just gonna sew that. Before I keep packing, I wanted to show you how I keep my packing list. So I use the app Google Keep, and I love it, and then you can just do little checklists and to-do lists and things. So this is the list I'm using, and I put all my stuff on there, and then as soon as I put it in my suitcase I can just like check it off the list. Anyway, I like keeping track of my stuff on Google Keep, and I've been anytime I think of something that I'm like, oh, I might forget that, I quickly write it down. So if you need a way to keep all your lists in one place, I totally recommend Google Keep. So this is what we're looking like. I'm making piles of stuff so I can go through and see if there's anything that I don't need, because I'm trying to pack light. I'm not very good at packing light, but that's what I'm trying to do. So this is my travel outfit. These are all my tops and my jackets. I have a bra pile, but I only have one bra right now because all my other bras are in the wash. I have 2 dresses, and I don't know if I want to bring either of them. And then here we have all my bottoms, my skirts, and my dresses and jumpers, and then my shoes, and I'm trying to decide if I want to bring these white ones or not. And then some of the toiletries, but I still have quite a bit that I need to grab, and I'm trying to decide which bag to bring and which hat to bring out of these 2 hats. And And here's my swimsuits, which I'll do right now and show you guys which ones I'm packing. Here are the swimsuits. So I have 2 black one pieces, a red one piece, they're all one pieces, a cute pink one, a cute fun colorful one, and this one. I'm not sure if I want to bring this one, so I think 5 swimsuits is good. We'll see. First, I'm going to put my shoes in my suitcase. I'm bringing my Adidas, these flip-flops because showers freak me out, and then these sandals for every day, and then I'm going to travel with my Adidas Boost shoes because they're the biggest. Okay, so I'm going to start putting my pants, my bottoms, my shorts, and my dresses into my suitcase. Okay, now for shirts and tank tops and my jean jacket. And swimsuits. Okay, so this is what's gonna go in my carry-on. First thing, I have this is my carry-on. It's just like a black backpack with 2 zippers, a big and a little one. I have my laptop in here and then my laptop charger. And then I'm gonna bring any med stuff that I need. So I have like cortisone, melatonin to help me sleep, Tylenol, Dramamine because I get sick on the plane. I have magnesium. I have Dramamine for when we're there. It's like non-drowsy, so when we go snorkeling or on the boat I can take that. And then in this I just have like wipes, a comb, chapstick, hand sanitizer, 2 pads, an elastic, earplugs, little wisp toothbrushes, lotion. I have my little wallet, and then I have some snacks. So I'm bringing these Cocoa Mel bites. They're so delicious. I love them so much. These like chewy gummy thingies. These are all from Whole Foods. I wanted to get some healthier snacks so I didn't feel too sick on the plane. And then I got this gluten-free Pop-Tart. It's Bobo's toaster pastry. Pretty good. And then I brought 2 bars, and I'm going to put 1 bar in my carry-on and I'm going to check 1 bar so when I get there if I need a snack I have it. So I have the almond butter chocolate, and it's the Epic bar, and then I have the Epic Performance bar, the lemon flavor. And I think I'm going to bring the lemon with me and then put the almond chocolate in my carry-on bag. I have just a couple more things. I'm going to bring my Beats headphones. I'm going to bring these little headphones. I'm bringing my eye mask. I'm bringing a pair of sunglasses. And a little case. I'm bringing my camera. This is the camera I'm using right now. I have my little case for it. I have a couple memory cards and the adapter, so if I want to work on a video while I'm on the airplane I can. And my battery and my charger. My camera just died, so luckily I have an extra battery. But the next thing I'm bringing is this green superfood. It's just a tablet. You drop it in one, it's like 8 ounces of water, I think. And it equals 1 full serving of greens and veggies. And so I took my first one today. I had it with some water. Seriously, so good. And I'm excited to take this on the airplane. I think it would be really good for just getting your vitamins in and to help with like maybe digestion and anything like that for the plane. So I'm taking these as well. These are some things on my phone that I've downloaded. So if you get the Prime Video app, it's okay right here, Prime Video. You can download any of the Prime shows, and I downloaded the whole 2nd season of Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, and then I downloaded just a couple of other movies. I know I'll have movies on the plane, but I just thought just in case, and I'm obsessed with Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, so I thought it'd be fun to watch it on the plane. I also have a few podcasts and a couple audiobooks, but I have a feeling I'll mostly be watching movies from the airplane, Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, and editing my vlog while I'm on the plane. I think I did it. I think I'm almost finished packing now that it's 10:30. It took me about 2.5 hours. Here is what it's looking like. I'm putting this little bag in here. This makeup bag is going right here in this corner, but I have to take the makeup to my sister's hotel she's staying at tonight to help her do her makeup tomorrow. And this is my carry-on bag. So yay, we did it. And then I have my dress for the wedding. I have tights, and I'm gonna wear my pink coat. Oh boy, this pretty pink coat with it. So I think we're ready. Time to shower. All I have to do is shower, blow dry my hair, and make sure I have everything for the wedding, and then I think I'm all ready to go to bed. It's wedding day for this girl. Show us what you got for breakfast.
Ooh.
Fruit, a little muffin,
A
little yogurt for the bride.
An orange juice.
Dad's hooking us up with some yummy breakfast. Oh, that would be awesome. Thank you. Okay, can I have some?
My job.
Yep. Thanks, Mom.
Mint leaf. How good is that?
I need fiber in my body.